It's day 5 and we're down to our last meal. But we did bring a few snacks for this type of situation. Like our Mr. Beast Jack Link's beef sticks. And with 6 grams of protein, it's perfect to give us a boost of energy for the day.
Darius, you can have mine, buddy.
And if we weren't in the frozen Arctic, we'd head over to Walmart, where you can now grab some for yourself. But unfortunately, after these beef sticks, we're basically
out of food, and we got a blizzard.
There's no airplane coming. There is no rescue. We are on our own.
We need to fish, but unfortunately, the snow is wet. We go out, get soaking wet. Even if we're catching fish, it just becomes extremely dangerous.
We're gonna be going all the way back to that fishing hole to catch fish, and we have to assume that when we come back, somebody's gonna have hypothermia.